All right. Rocky Mountain Treasure Hunt by Eddie Sutherland. What are we? Rocky Mountain Treasure Hunt is a treasure hunt for real money through the public land of the West. We put out prizes of real money with interactive maps in public land redeemable through our app or website. Our problem and solution. The problem we're trying to fix is getting people outdoors. People who want to get outdoors but just can't find a hobby. This product solves the problem by giving people an incentivized, fun way to enjoy the outdoors. Our market share. The total area market is outdoor activities. The serviceable available market is outdoor scavenger hunts and geocaching. And the share of market is real outdoor treasure hunts for adults. So our target customer is one of the following. Someone who loves the outdoors, someone who likes the outdoors but can never find the right hobby for them, and someone who wants to get outdoors and get fit, live healthy, but they just can't find the motivation. Our product would give them something to do. So this is our competition matrix. Feature A for my product is earning money. So you actually can earn money. And then feature A for the other two is in the UK and all over the world. Feature B is in mine you're searching in Bureau of Land Management and National Forest land. Feature B for the other two is that in competitor A you have to buy a couple products to get a code to then enter a competition. And the next feature for them is it's only on set times that you can search in that competition. It'd be like a certain day. Competitor B's feature B is only, as well as the other one, only set dates that you can look that can make you money, and the other feature is it gives you exact coordinates. My feature C is you are not given exact coordinates. The sales price for mine is a one-time fee of $50. The other two are free or $250 for premium. So my SWOT. My strengths are you can win money, and there's no set time or date. You can do it whenever you want, whenever you're free. The weakness is I'm facing competition from an international company, even though they don't do the exact same thing. And public land is generally an hour away from most cities in the West or more. And my product costs more than the competitors. The opportunity is providing something new for outdoorsmen, a new way to enjoy the outdoors, and removing boredom from regular geocaching. And then the threats are strong competition from geocaching and public lands far away from most cities. So our revenue model is a transactional revenue model where it'd be a one-time fee for a certain area. So it'd be $50 for White River National Forest as an example, and you could look in there as much as you wanted, 8 hours a day if you wanted. And then the other way would be a subscription revenue model where you could subscribe to a certain national forest, so you could buy White River National Forest every year or 6 months or whatever the time period is, or you could buy everything in a state or sections as Southern Colorado. So pricing and profit. The price would be $50, but 40% of the profit would go back in the money that people who bought it can win. And the cost to make would be just a one-time fee of $200 per area for some good waterproof boxes. And funding. So I'd most likely fund this myself because it is relatively cheap. If I did have an ask, it'd be $5,000 for 10% of the company. And with that, I'd have enough money to get my feet off the ground with a website, app, marketing, advertisement, everything like that. And that concludes the presentation.